Hello guys, welcome to INSPIRE EDUCARE. I am Aditya. In this video, we will solve one problem from the topic 2D array, which is generally asked in interview. So today's question is to rotate a square matrix by 90 degree. So in this we are given a square matrix n cross n and we have to turn it by 90 degree in clockwise direction. In this we can't use any extra space. So we have to do this transformation in place. So let's see with the help of an example. Suppose we have a 4 cross 4 matrix. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have to rotate this matrix by 90 degree in clockwise direction. That means we have to rotate this like this in 90 degree. So after rotating, the output comes out at 13, 9, 5, 1, 4, 10, 6, 2, 5, 11, 7, 3, 16, 12, 8, 4. That is, this is rotated in this direction. So let's see how we can solve this question. There are two steps involved in this to solve this question. The first step is to transpose the matrix and the second step is to reverse each row. Now what do you mean by transpose? So we have to swap the element at ij with the element at ji. That is, we may have to swap these elements. So let's see with the help of an example. So we have a 4 cross 4 matrix in which the elements look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this is our input array. Now after transposing, we have to swap this element at ij with ji. So let's see, the required matrix will become 1, 5, 9, 13, 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15, 4, 8, 12, 16. So now what we have to do is to reverse each row. Now we have to reverse each row in this matrix. So after reversing each row, the first row will become 3, 9, 5, 1. Second row will become 14, 10, 6, 2. Third row will become 15, 11, 7, 3. Fourth row will become 16, 12, 8, 4. So see this. This is, we have an input and the final output comes this. So this is the 90 degree rotation in the clockwise direction. So now we have to code this. The code is very simple. We have to perform these two steps. That is, first we have to transpose the matrix. This is the transpose part and this is the final output. So let's see the code. So let's start with the main function. In main function, we have first enter the row of a square 2D matrix. That is the dimension of the square matrix. Then we have created an array. You can create an array dynamically also. Then we have entered the element by using two nested loops. Then we have call a function rotate 90 underscore 90. In this we have passed two arguments. The first one is the 2D array. The second one is the size of the array n cross n. After that we have printed the rotated array. So let's see the function rotate underscore 90. So in rotate underscore 90 we have two parameters. First one is the 2D array, the second one is the n cross n, the size n. Now we first have to do the transpose part. So for transpose part we have to run a two nested loop. In this the first loop will start I equal to 0 to I less than n and we will increment I at each step. The second nested loop, it will start j equal to I, j less than n and j plus plus. So we have to swap element at I comma j with the element at j comma I. So we will do swap aij comma aji. So this loop will transpose the matrix. Now the second step is to reverse each row. So for that also we will run a two nested loop. So the first loop start I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now the second loop starts j equal to 0 and it will run n by 2 times. So j is less than n by 2, j plus plus. Now we have to swap the element from the front to the front and to the end. So here is the element at the front and here is the element at the end. We will swap these, and after completing the loop, the array will be rotated by 90 degree. So the code is very simple. So let's see the dry run. Let's see the run part. So here we have to enter the number of rows for square matrix. So let it be 4. So we have to enter the element now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the output comes after rotating by 90 degrees 13, 9, 5, 1, 14, 10, 6, 2, 15, 11, 7, 3, 16, 12, 8, 4. That is, this array is rotated by 90 degree in the clockwise direction. So that's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next lecture. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.